Hello, friends. So, long time no see, but never mind. I will tell you everything. So, I was thinking, I have these cards. Here's the Zinnia, absence. What is not here is the key. So, this is the cards I buy on some page, I don't know. And every day you take the one card and you have some personal message for this day. So I was thinking, uh, let's draw all these flowers from this cards, and I will take random cards every day. The next one. So I today is Zinnia. I already make the rough sketch of Zinnia. I think the two of them looks very nice in different colors, and I always uh, drawing when I'm coloring. I always color from light uh, to dark, and I was thinking to make this Zinnia in the original colors. What is one is a pinkish and the other one is a red. So I I've been away for I don't know probably over a month, and this is not because I don't know what to draw. I know I have a very vivid imagination and I always draw, but now I have some other things in my personal life and I will share this with you. I will get married in this month, and I don't, my world is upside down and everything is so crazy. I want a small wedding, but no, my husband wants some friends and family. I don't know. I'm very, uh, I don't know, close person. I don't like many people around me, and I have only my friends very close, two or three friends, and I always spending time with them or with my daughter or with my husband. I don't like many people, many different people. So uh, there is some issues here, but never mind. So I will get married and this month, and that is all. And I was thinking, let's make this video because this video is for very long time waiting for my voiceover, but I don't know why I can record this. I already draw and everything and edit and everything, and I can't put voiceover this video. So I was make myself today, and I hope you like it. And I hope I'll see you soon. Probably not this month, but next month and everything after that, every week. I promise. So we will continue this with these cards. I want to make this in serious. I think here is 25 Turkish cards. I don't know. I'm not so sure. For every day is a different flower and different message, and I think it's pretty cute. And I was drawing here this in my small uh, my small book, and I think it's cute. And I like to see your opinion about everything I say. And here, oh, it is not red. Oh my God, I forgot. So you see how long time ago I make this video. It is orange. I will probably put some red here also, but okay. So please and sorry, and I promise I will be better. And I love you all so much, and I will see you soon after everything pass in this month. And now I will add some darkish color. Oh no, I'm working with stamp here, yes. I forgot everything. Oh my god, this video is all over the place. Like my all videos. So, here's red. Yes, I remember I used red here. But okay. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this, and I hope you will draw along with me. If you like, you can slow down video speed because I a little fast forwarding. But that is all from me today, and see you soon. Bye.